Hi guys! Welcome sa Sipnayan. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on calculus and um, kung sinusunod nyo itong series natin sa previous 3 videos ay nag-solve tayo ng mga medyo challenging problems na ng derivative, no? Gamit lang yung ating napag-aralan na formulas, no? So far, we have 4. No? Ito muna yung ginagamit natin. Of course, we have more formulas na pag natutunan natin ay mas madali yung pag-solve natin ng derivative. No? But in this case, ito lang muna yung pwedeng gamitin kasi ito pa lang ang naaral natin. No? So in this video this is going to be the last video dun sa ating mga practice problems na medyo mahirap na konti. No? So here we have p of x equals square root of 5 square root of 5 over x cubed plus 3x to the 1.8. Gagawin natin is kukunin natin yung derivative nito, no? So we need p prime of x. So p prime of x is p of x muna. I-simplify muna natin siya, no? Para mag-fit siya dito sa mga formulas natin. Wala tayong division, no? Wala tayong rational expression na nasa ilalim yung variable, yung x. Ito, kung makikita nyo ay palagi siyang nasa yung sa power rule, nasa itaas siya. So, we manipulate, no? Using negative exponent. No? Alam natin that pag nasa denominator siya, pag nilipat natin sa numerator, mangyayari sa kanya maging negative yung exponent niya. No? Using natin x cubed. So, mangyayari sa kanya is this is equal to square root of 5 times x to the negative 3. No? Plus 3x to the 1.8. Okay, so wala na tayong problema, no? Pwede na natin siya gamitin yung sum and difference rule. That is, if we want to find the derivative of p of x, we find the derivative of the expressions individually. No? Pag f of x plus g of x, we want to find the derivative. We find the derivative of f of x, and then find the derivative of g of x, and then add or subtract them depending on the operation. No? So here we have an addition. We have addition, so addition din tayo. So we find the derivative of p prime of x is, what is the derivative of negative 5? This is just a number, no? So wala tayong problema, ibababa lang natin to using the power rule, no? Power rule, if we have x to the n, to get the derivative, bababa natin itong n magiging nx. And then yung n sa taas, mababawasan siya ng isa, n minus 1. So, yung square root of 5 is a constant. So, ilagay lang natin siya dyan by the constant multiple rule. So, pag meron tayong constant and the function, here our constant is square root of 5, our function is x to the negative 3. So, anong ginawa niya? We just keep the constant and find the derivative of the function. So, we keep the square root of 5 and then get the derivative of x to the negative 3, which is by the power rule, bababa natin siya negative 3 times x to the negative 3 minus 1. Plus, ganun din dito. We have a constant, 3, we just keep it, and then bababa natin to 1.8 times x to the 1.8 minus 1. So, this is equal to square root of 5 times negative 3. Pwede natin gawing negative 3 square root of 5. Times x to the negative 4. X to the negative 4. Plus, no? What is 3 times 1.8? I think that's 5.4. X to the, what is 1.8 minus 1? 0.8. No? So, isa na lang. Simplify. We have a negative exponent. Dito wala. So, babalik natin to. Para maging positive siya, babalik natin siya sa baba. Gagawin natin siyang denominator. So, x to the 4th. Ang matitira sa taas ay 3 square root of 5. Andito yung negative natin. No? Pag may negative tayo dito, pwede na natin yung ilagay sa gitna. Then, plus 5.4 x to the 0.8. This is our derivative. Okay, so that's it. No, marami tayong examples na medyo mahirap, no? Kailangan natin mag-manipulate algebraically. And sinasabi ko sa mga previous videos, sinabi ko na you have to be very strong in your algebra. Kasi pag mga ganito, paano kung actually ang derivative lang dito, ang calculus lang is this part, no? Pag nakuha mo na yung this part, puro na from here to here, algebra yan. Magka-calculus ka dito, you get the derivative. Pag nag-simplify ka, algebra ulit. So, mostly algebra actually ang calculus. And sabi ko nga, marami mabagsak sa calculus because of algebra, not because of calculus. No? So, I don't know yung level ng inyong exam, no? Quiz. But, lahat naman ng tinuturo ko dito ay napag-aralan nyo na sa high school. No? So, hopefully, mas madali yung exam nyo. But of course, mas challenging, mas maganda. So, gusto ko yung invite sa ating YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/sipnayanph. And our Facebook page, facebook.com/sipnayanph. Mag-subscribe kayo sa channel natin. No? Marami tayong ina-upload every week. And our website, sipnayan.com. See you in the next tutorial.